What's Heimdal Pro 60% off discount? FYI, the company, Heimdal Security, just has increased the discount for Heimdal Pro to 60%, till the end of August, 2018. And, they will launch soon a new product line. Heimdal Pro will be renamed into Thor Foresight. Heimdal Pro, unique next-gen threat prevention for your PC. Detect threats that traditional antivirus can't see. Thor Foresight blocks viruses and malware before they infect your computer. Wondering how Thor Foresight can help you? Protects your memories against ransomware. Did you know new malware is especially created to bypass traditional antivirus? This leads to costly malware infections. For example, ransomware creators ask for $650 on average to unlock victims' data. Thor Foresight filters all your internet traffic and blocks ransomware distribution sources. Blocks malware before it infects your computer. Malware can hide in links, emails, instant messages, online ads, and more. Thor Foresight sits between your valuable data and the infected content, blocking malware no matter the infection source. Keeps scammers out of your bank account. Thor Foresight sees when cybercriminals try to steal your card data and blocks their attempts. With Thor Foresight keeping watch, you can safely shop online or log into your internet banking account. Automatically closes security holes in your apps. Did you know that keeping software updated closes 85% of security holes used in cyber attacks? Thor Foresight makes it simple. It updates your apps automatically and fast. No interruptions and no restarts required. Stops malicious websites from infecting you. Malicious websites try to infect your computer with downloads, banners, or links that deliver malware. Thor Foresight scans your traffic 24/7. It blocks attacks before they can do any damage to your computer. How is Heimdal Pro different from my antivirus? It works great alongside any antivirus you use and adds an extra security layer. The newest malware is especially created to bypass antivirus detection. If antivirus is your only protection, malware can and will sneak through the gaps. Here is how Thor Foresight closes your vulnerabilities with multiple security layers. Their free 24/7 support is always ready to help. See what Heimdal Pro can do for you. Enough reading, we know you want to see Thor Foresight in action. Here's how it will work on your computer. Hit http://www.anrduez.net/95104WKTQKS7FHD9AGF79BB9FB8E to get yourself started with Heimdal Pro antivirus 60% off discount today.